Hey guys, I am so excited because your girl, I am officially a Makari brand ambassador. So happy, and you should be happy as well because that means you get 10% off your purchases when you shop on the Makari website. Makari, if you're watching me, thank you so much for being kind enough sending these products. I am so happy. Thank you so much, and I'll be going into the unboxing side of these products, so keep watching guys. And if you're loving the hair I'm wearing, please shop with us at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. Without further ado, let's go straight into this review. I wish I could show you guys the delivery box these products came in, but sorry, I don't have it now. But we're still gonna have the unboxing anyway, nothing stopping us, so let's just dig straight into it. The first product Makari sent me is the facial sunscreen. As you can see, as always, Makari packaging or boxes are high quality. And my very first impression about this product, as you can see, it's a quality bottle. Absolutely amazing. I'm just thinking to myself, see, when I'm done using this product, I feel like I'm gonna keep the bottle because it's just so beautiful. I don't want to dispose it, and it has a really nice smell, really good smell. So I really love this product. I've only used it for a week. I'm going to give you guys a full review in upcoming videos. This is just the first impression video, and so yeah, let's move on to the next one. Now this particular soap, I'm yet to use it, and the reason is because I've got another soap Makari sent me. It's an exfoliating soap and I'm using that one, so I want to finish using it before I use this one. This soap, this is how it looks. It's like a dark turquoise blue. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. And it's a beautiful smell. It has this sweet, subtle, gentle smell. I can't really describe it, but it's just a really amazing smell. So yeah, this, I can't wait to start using and then give you a full review of this product. Next is these two products. Now I'll touch on this one first. This is the Pure Radiance Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Guys, take a moment to admire this packaging. How awesome and beautiful is this? Literally, this is by far my favorite scrub ever, my entire life. Well, yet, because maybe I might find something to replace it, I don't know, but for now, this is kinging, this is reigning. I love this scrub. When it came at first, I was quite skeptical because I felt the granules were medium size, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to use such a scrub on my face. But guys, I promise you, it's a beautiful smell, feels great. Right after using it, your skin has this sudden glow and radiance. It gives you that velvety, smooth silkiness on your skin. It's amazing. Like, you know, if something is not good, I'll tell you the truth, but this is amazing. Any day, I recommend this scrub to anyone. And again, I'm going to give a full review of this in upcoming videos, so watch out for it. And yeah, let's move on to the final product, which I'll be reviewing in depth here, which is the exfoliating soap. So yeah, this is the soap I'm currently using. I've already started using it. I think this is probably my 4th week into using the soap, and as you can see, I've already started using the soap. Now the packaging is in a whitish cream color. It's got cream design on it. The writings are in cream. There's the gold Makari label on it. Now the bar itself comes with these particles, brown particles, and I believe that's what aids with the exfoliation when you use it on your skin. The smell is a good smell. It gives me that smell like an antiseptic soap, and also like a black African soap. That's how I perceive the smell in my opinion. The benefits your skin gets when you use this soap is that firstly, it helps to revive dull skin. That means it makes your skin radiant and it makes it glow, and also it helps to improve the texture of your skin. Obviously, it's got that particles in there to help aid with exfoliation, and when your skin exfoliates, you're guaranteed that it will help improve the skin's texture. The next thing is that it helps to remove impurities, and I'm not surprised because, like I said, the smell gives off like antiseptic soap. So I wasn't surprised when I noticed or read from MAKARI website that it helps to remove impurities. And also MAKARI does state that it can be used by all skin types except sensitive skin, and I 100% again agree with this. The reason is that when I was using this soap, or even right now, I have this small rash at my chest area, and anytime I use the soap and the soap goes to that area, it really irritates. So I always have to cover that section to use the soap. So if you're watching me and you have a sensitive skin or any skin concerns like eczma, melasma, please don't use this soap because of the fragrance in there. It's just too strong for you. But any other skin type, yes, you can use the soap. Some ingredients that got my attention are veggie chloride, a non-chemical skin brightening agent, and the next is apricot extract, which nourish, soothe, and slow down the signs of aging. Finally, mulberry root extract to help brighten your skin. You can use it for your face and your neck according to MAKARI, but what I personally do is I use it for my body as well, and MAKARI does state on their website it can be used for your body, so I was happy when I saw that. Now the reason why I use it on my body, because I've learned over time that when it comes to your facial products, it's very delicate. You are safer using a facial product on other parts of your body than vice versa using your body cream on your face. So when I saw it was a facial soap, I wasn't bothered. I knew if I use it on my body, I'll be fine, and that's what I did. Yes, be confident if you wanted to use it on your body, it will be safe. But like I said, if it's rather a body lotion or a cream or a soap, don't use that on your face because your face is very delicate and you don't want to be putting something too harsh on your face. When you're using the soap, you can use it with a sponge or an exfoliating brush, or you could use it on its own with water. It's just your own preference. I use it with an exfoliating brush and a sponge as well. So the exfoliating brush is for my face and the sponge for the rest of my body. But yeah, you can use it just on its own with just water if that is your preference, and that should still be okay. You guys know when I talk about positive sides of a product, I always love to touch on downsides or disadvantages if there be any. Now so far with this product, I've not had any problem at all. Like honestly, no problem at all. If you're watching me and your goal is to get like a shade or two lighter, this is not the soap for you. It doesn't do that. It just gives you the radiance, the glow, the amazing texture, and that's it. It's not gonna get your skin from a 0 to 100. So I recommend some MAKARI soaps or products somewhere here that will give you that kind of intensity or brightness or lightness you want, but this product will not be able to achieve that because that is not the purpose. The product or the soap is to be serving you. So yeah, hope this information helps you. Hey, yeah, I'm so sorry to interrupt. It's just to quickly remind you, please subscribe if you have not done so yet. Turn on the post notification so you do not miss any of my future videos. Thank you. So my final thoughts about this product is firstly the packaging. Amazing packaging as always. MAKARI is top notch when it comes to their packaging, so kudos. I love the packaging. And next, I love the product itself. It delivers what it says it will do, and so far I am impressed. So it is a good product. And the next thing is that you can use the product every day, which I love, because for some MAKARI products it's just 3 times a week, and we obviously need that product we can be using every day as well. And this is the soap you can use every day on on your face and if you wanted to use it on your body. So basically that is my thoughts about the product. And again, if you want 10% off buying this particular soap, it is the code DC Elysia. I'll pop it somewhere here. You get 10% discount off. How amazing is that? You want to go straight to their website just now and shop for this product, and I promise you, you will love it. As always, I appreciate you all. Keep supporting this channel. Subscribe if you're not done so yet, and let's meet in my next video. Goodbye.